Unity Night is about celebration. Unity Night is an opportunity for students and people to come together to enjoy the company of one another in an event that is focused on building relationships. Unity Night is a time for togetherness, for family, to be unified, to really highlight the diversities that essentially make us special. So the idea of the activity actually came from my mission. I served in Fiji, and as missionaries we would meet once or twice a year as a zone or as zones, and we would have games and do little performances, acting out different scenes and stories from the Bible. And it was a really good time to recharge, to reflect as a missionary, and to really help you gain back that confidence before going out to do the work again. So with this event, we had a lot of preparations. We did a lot of planning, organization with different clubs and club presidencies and presidents. It's going to be an event that's probably never been done before here at BYUH. What to expect? Expect energy, expect fun, and expect diversity.
Come on.